welcome to my channel. This is Eleni, and today I'm going to show you the process of the second girl I created for the Halloween challenge using these face charts by Davenport that are intended to help you practicing your shading skills and explore and play with wet or dry mediums, as the sheets in the two pads are mixed media paper. Today's prompt is Vogue Editor Power Bob, and this time I'm going to use watercolors and gouache, soft pastels that are matte but also shimmer pastels, paint pens and black markers, with my favorite being the LTQ pen that is a black permanent ink brush marker that you will see me use in the beginning of the video. Hope you enjoy my process and get inspired to use these kind of face charts to practice on. And this is it. Later on you will see all the faces I created with these face charts, the 2 I did on video and 2 more I didn't record. A girl inspired by the prompt Elvis Pompadour and another one inspired by Marilyn Blonde Bombshell. Hope you enjoyed my process and maybe got some inspiration. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment under it, but also make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell to get notified about my new videos. Thank you so much for being here. See you soon. Love and kisses.